Hi, welcome to Avasam Insights. My name is Lucas and we've got some exciting news for you guys. TikTok Shop and Avasam are now official partners, bringing you direct integration with a listing tool to supercharge your online business. In this video, I want to show you guys how you can integrate your account between TikTok Shop and Avasam. If you haven't registered on Avasam yet, don't worry, you can do that right now through our website avasam.com. It's quick and easy and you can get started for free. By clicking on the free trial, it'll take you to register your account. Avasam provides seamless integration, effortless order management, and powerful listing tools to boost your sales. And then guess what? If you don't have TikTok Shop account, you can just register and join the TikTok Shop community over to their TikTok Shop website, seller-uk.tiktok.com, and register. Just want to make sure, guys, before we go through the integration via Avasam, once you got your TikTok Shop account set up, you need to go to your account settings and configure your warehouse settings and set up your default warehouse before we actually start the integration process, because that needs to be set up so we can easily integrate between Avasam and your TikTok Shop account. Now we've got your Avasam account set up. Essentially, it's a free account. I will take you through the Getting Started guide. Only the octopus would guide you through every single step to complete the registration fully. And as I've mentioned, it will be a free account if you haven't subscribed to one of the plans. But to unlock the full potential of Avasam, including product sourcing and integration with the channels, you need to subscribe to one of the paid packages. It is all about tailoring your experience to match your unique business needs. Once you have subscribed, we can go through the integration process. So if you go to your settings and sales channel integrations, here on this page you click on Add Sales Channels, and you can see all the channels we are able to support and integrate with directly. TikTok Shop help documentation will take you to our knowledge base articles along with the videos and all the functionalities. Once you're ready, click on Add. Here it will ask you to put your TikTok Shop account name, and when you're ready, click on Next. By generating the authorization token, it will take you to log into your TikTok Shop account. So I just need to go through authorization, and here it will show you the Avasam app to download and authorize it to integrate with Avasam between your TikTok Shop. My app has been already approved and downloaded, so I only have option to renew. But if you follow the on-screen steps, it will just you just need to confirm few steps, and then it will take you back to your Avasam account. And if you click on Next, your integration will be completed. So here, what I want to show you guys, just to go through some settings on your channel integration. If you go to Settings, Search Channel Integration, find the TikTok Shop channel that you have just integrated. All you would need to do is map your shipping here via the shipping mapping tool. So whatever shipping services you are offering, they will be downloaded here from the channel, and you will need to map them to selected Avasam shipping services. Click on Map field and Save, and your shipping service would be saved. SKU mapping, so the shipping service, it means when you start getting the orders through, all you need to do to make sure you've got your mapping done, because if the orders are getting downloaded and shipping is not mapped, orders will contain some sort of errors and would not get downloaded and paid for. Then you would need to manually approve these orders by mapping the shipping services. SKU mapping, if you're using our direct listing tool to create the listings on your TikTok Shop, you don't need to map the SKUs because these will be automatically mapped, but there is an action available to auto map the SKUs. If you are, let's say, uploading in bulk via CSV, or you're creating listings manually on your TikTok Shop, then you would need to map the SKUs manually. Here, additional settings, giving you options to split orders with unknown SKUs. If one or more SKUs are in order and they're not mapped correctly on non-Avasam SKUs, then order will be split. And you can also exclude non-Avasam orders if you're selling on different channels, just to make sure these orders are not downloaded to your orders page. Stock update needs to be set to yes to make sure that stock is getting updated accordingly. And if you are using our automated pricing rule engine, you need to set up the pricing, including VAT, to update accordingly. Maximum quantity to advertise, that is what you want to show on your channel as maximum quantities available. And then stock threshold value means that if this value reaches levels in Avasam, let's say I set it up to 3. If the levels are 3 on Avasam, then it will automatically zero the stock on my channel, just to avoid overselling of fastening lines. So this is all done. Make sure that you click on save and get your settings saved accordingly. And this is all for the Avasam and TikTok Shop channel integration. If you guys have any questions and you're not sure about any of these, please reach out to my colleagues on the live chat. You can also raise a ticket through your help, raising a support ticket. That's for any technical purpose. And then also contact support@avasam.com. Thank you for watching.